Hey friends, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be planning in my catch-all planner. It's my LiQWYD Design and Cricut Paper Co. Planner, and we're going to be planning for the week of August 9th. And I'm going to use the new Kawaii kit. Tasia did an amazing job. This kit's beautiful. I think I need to get another one. It's called Good Intentions, and I love all the colors, all the little details. It's really, really pretty. The checklists are so cool. And then we have this really nice new typography that is so nice. The weekend banners and the date covers. So I think I'm just gonna get started a little bit with the basics and then go from there, because it really is just so pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm trying to film this video. It's Saturday and I'm in Tampa with my family and I'm staying at my sister's house, but I have my son here and I don't know, it's just not getting done. So if you guys hear a whole bunch of extra fun in the background or you wonder why I've stopped the video 10 million times, now you know. I wanted to do something like special with this because I think it's so pretty. So I think I'm actually going to cut down the washi and use it in different ways. I don't exactly have a ruler, so I'm just using this washi card. And I am not known for straight lines, so I can only imagine. I think yeah, like look how crooked that is, but okay. We're gonna work with that. Okay, so I like this purple, and then I wanted to use, it's still not straight. This is like a washi strips, but I wanted to make them a little bit thinner. So let's see. If I can do a better job. Okay, I'm back again. It's actually almost sweetly comical. So I cut these into strips, and I was kind of like wanting to incorporate them, but I think that looks the same. So I have this Erin Condren highlighter, which I like because it's very mild, and I think that I might incorporate the gray color. I already like pen tested it and it doesn't bleed. Yeah, it's like super mild. I might end up just like putting washi over this, but I actually don't like the way it like chunked up.
Mom?
Yes, Mom. So I almost think it's comical that this is called Good Intentions, because that's like what I have right now, Good Intentions, and it's not working very well. Let's see. I'm just gonna let that be and let it cover. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put these headers just so that it incorporates the colors of the kit. I think. Okay, I think that looks better, especially far away. I don't think it's the biggest of deals. I'm trying to decide if I want to do this up here rather than the headers. Okay, I'm feeling better. It seems like it's... I squished this one coming together. It's okay because I'm having a really hard time doing that. But what I wanted to do was kind of make a couple individual boxes like this, and then use some of the deco that Tasia put in the kits and kind of make it almost picture framed. That's kind of the idea, but I realized that I do not have a ruler, so symmetry today is just not in the cards. I'm just gonna have to go with it best I can. Okay, so now I have those blocked off. And I wanted to take some of this deco and just kind of make it fun. Let's see. Okay, I'm just trying to figure out which full box I want to use. I like them all, and I hate using them at the same time because they're so cute. This one's so pretty, but it's repetitive. What do I have there? Kind of like the Ouija board, or it is written in the cards. Or the scrying. Let's see. Sorry for not too much talking, guys. There's been a lot happening in this house when I'm trying to do this. I guess that's what I get for like waiting till the last minute. I have a few things going on next week, but not too many. So that's why, you know, I have that huge like cauldron there. And then I can squeeze in whatever I need to write. That looks too much of the same. Let's see if there's anything I can put there. Maybe I shouldn't use a cauldron because I have that. Oh man. Let's see. Let's change it up. These checklists are so cute, but I think I'm going to use plain ones. Let's see. Okay, guys, I think that's it for this plan with me. It was a little bit of a rocky road and a wild ride, but I just wanted to do justice to the beauty of this kit because it's gorgeous. It's so pretty. It's even prettier in person, if you can even imagine such a thing. And I think I might need to order another one of these Kawaii kits. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will see you back here for another plan with me. I'll be posting the cousin tomorrow. So I hope everyone has a great day. I'll talk to you later.